Hello and welcome again to another video. So in this video, I want to talk about a topic that's very important for profitable traders. Understand this secret. It's about the power of confidence in trading. Now, confidence is a very crucial factor, but it needs to be, it needs the right cover, the right kind of confidence, grounded, into skills, discipline, self-awareness, not ego and emotions. And by now, I hope you are as well tired of people talking about psychology, discipline. I'm tired about those topics over and over again because you see, a lot of people talk about psychology, they talk about discipline. Yes, we already know we have a problem of discipline, we have a problem of psychology. But now, what are the solutions? Like, we have to go straight to the point that we need different solutions, need to approach things differently because a lot of people are going to be talking about, you need to deal with for example, specific time you trade in. You have to walk away after loss. You have to, yes. And I think, even me personally, I've talked about this thing, but sometimes I feel like we've talked about these things for so long that they've they've not been, they're just sounding like music. So I feel like we need to have to approach trading in a different, try different styles, so to see if we can be able to, bring something out of traders. So this is where I'm talking about confidence, or the power of confidence in trading. So confidence, first of all, comes from preparation, because you cannot become a confident trader if you don't have a, if you've not prepared well. But I mean, by preparing, I'm talking about you have back tested and you have a proven trading plan, that you have a confidence, that you have that confidence that no matter what happens, you can go 10 losses straight, but still end up becoming profitable, because just one win can recover all your losses if you have if you have good risk to reward ratio. You can lose 10 trades straight, but just one win, 1 to 10 R, you get everything back. So the 10 losses you're going to be feeling every day for those 10 days, you won't be even feeling it. And that, for that to happen, you must have a strategy that you have already, back tested, and it has proven that no matter what happens, you're going to be profitable, and that will build confidence. Me personally, the moment I became profitable and I was able to pass, guys, confidence enabled me to pass my profile evaluation uh, in I think it was in a day or 2 days. And I passed. Actually, there were two accounts. I had bought two accounts, and one was rented for free. And I passed the first one in 2 days, both phase one and phase two. And the second one, the same thing. The following week, because we are now going to a weekend. I think it was Friday, so I never traded on Friday. The next week, I'd already been issued the other account, and within 4 days, guys, I was up around 13%, waiting for payout. It was crazy, and that all this happened because of confidence that I had. Then after that, there's something that happened, which I'm gonna be discussing about it. I ended up losing the account after payouts. That was back then. So confidence will help you. But there's a reason why I lost the accounts. That's why I want to be talking about them. And you're likely, maybe in future, you're likely to be having the same issue again. So I want to ensure that this doesn't really happen again. Yeah, sorry about that. I had to check on the audio. So and me s- and me talking about, being able to pass my, two profile evaluation within, just a couple of a day or 2 days, phase one and phase two. This has nothing to do with gambling. Actually, I was only risking 1%. But it's only that the strategy that I'm using, the less I usually take is 1 to 4 hour. That is on London. Then on New York, I take 1 to 8. So there were straight wins. And sometimes I would mess up because it's more mathematical, that I don't really want to miss even with a single pip, upon entries. And this is the strategy that I've been telling you guys about, that in future I'm gonna be teaching. It's about mathematical approach to this market. So confidence played a very, very major part in me winning these trades, because I had back tested for a couple of weeks and I was ready, I was prepared, knowing that this thing works. So in my mind, There was nothing else that anybody could tell me that I might lose the account. I had zero expectation even of money or even passing. I was just trading just for the fun of it because I had that confidence in me that I have a system that works. And this is, this is what usually happens with majority of traders whenever they come into trading, they usually have that confidence, and that confidence usually enables them to make money. Even you listening to me right now, I am very sure that at some point when you began trading, you used to make money. Then, because you had that confidence, then you started having fears, like you don't want to lose money again, you want to be more perfect, and so on. Then that hindered the confidence, and then you started going into losses. So ensure that you backtest and for test your strategy before going live, and also know your risk, because your confidence can be easily destroyed by taking just one bad trade. It can really destroy your confidence. Then also, you need to understand the difference between confidence and overconfidence. And this now comes why I lost the funding and lost accounts. Overconfidence. Now, after being able to do, to achieve this remarkable, actually, I was paid out like just a couple of days. I had payouts back to back, following each other, and I even went ahead and bought even big accounts. So that confidence was now too much. Overconfidence. I was feeling untouchable, guys. I was feeling like I cannot lose anymore. Like I've become like the. I hope you guys understand the feeling. I was feeling like I'm the best. And you see, that is where overconfidence comes in. And I regretted. Market punished me immediately. Lost that account, lost the big accounts that had, and you see that will draw you back, because that leaves a question. You start asking yourself, does this strategy not work anymore? I'm very sure you guys have been in such situations. I just want us to have a situation whereby we can relate to the issue that I'm talking about here, because I'm a trader. I've been there. I've done these things. And if you're a trader who is facing this kind of challenges, I believe that we can have a common ground that we can agree, yes, this and this happens, so that we can find solutions on these factors or these issues. So confidence is, I trust my age and process. You trust it. But overconfidence is now, I think I know what the market will do. That is overconfidence. Exactly. That's it. You think that you know what the market will do. So you feel like nothing else is going to stop you. Now that's overconfidence. Now, the moment you start having that, this way you remember that the market owes you nothing. Even a good setup can lose. That's why I often tell people you have to behave in probabilities. So apart from that, I also want to talk about a little bit about journaling, because you have to record your trades. You have to record your thoughts, emotions, and even results. How are you feeling during the trade? How are your thoughts like? Were you feeling of exiting the trade because it took so long to deliver? Were you feeling like you want to adjust your stop loss before price give you enough room to adjust? You have to record it, so that if these patterns keep on happening over and over and over again, you'll be able to see them in a book or in a record that you can easily identify that this is the problem that is holding me back. Then you take it as the main problem that you deal with first hand before you move on to the next one, to see the result once that problem has been solved. So again, I say journal. Over time, you see, pattern will show you what works and what doesn't really work. And this reflection is what builds authentic confidence. If you want to have it, you just ensure that you journal. So apart from that, maybe you can talk about mindset. You just have to have develop a resilient mindset, and whereby you accept losses as part of the game. And in this channel, I did a video about. There's a video titled "This Video Will Make You Profitable." That video is so powerful. I don't know why you guys haven't really watched it, and actually, I think it's the most important video ever in this channel, and maybe in the trading arena after the strategies and so on. That video is titled "This Video Will Make You Profitable." It's on this channel. Go check it out. It talks about mindset, and in that video I talk about a hack that you can use to be able to hack your subconscious mind, to lie to it and put in good habits right there, so that you start behaving from a point of having good habits from your subconscious mind, not the conscious mind, reminding you of previous acts that now redirect your brain into fear and situations that often kills that confidence again. So uh, check on that mindset and that video that will help you. Then lastly, if you're a beginner trader, just stick to one style until you master it. That will build your confidence. Jumping from strategy to strategy always kills confidence. And jumping from strategy to strategy is always because when we go through a series of losses, we often feel like maybe it's not working anymore. Maybe the algorithm has been switched. Maybe this and this. But you see, guys, that's not the factor of it. I wish I was typing this, this subtopics here for you guys, but I'm quite far from my keyboard, and I think I don't want to waste time here. So you guys, if you're taking notes, you just type it for or write down from your end. So ensure that you stick to one strategy. Now, once you build momentum with one strategy, now I feel like I've been consistently profitable, but still I feel like there's some things that I don't know that I would like to know. Is now when you be able to learn more, so that you can have a different entry, models and strategies and etc. So lastly, you need to start the day by reviewing your best past trades. It will build beliefs, and just go back on the days where you used to win. You used to win a lot of trades, and just read that journal. It will build back your belief in your age, in your system. And also, um, remember to reduce screen time, and of course revenge trading. I did a video on here. These things, they keep on repeating because these problems in this market are always the same. Revenge trading, over leveraging, not taking planned trades, and taking unplanned trades. All these things, all these problems, they keep on repeating it year over and over and over again. So these solutions, we already have them. It's only a matter of us now taking them into action. And lastly, I'm going to talk about that video again. There's a video I did in this channel. It is titled, "This video will make you profitable," and exactly that is what it will do. That video is not about strategy. That video is not about bullshit, or you need to do this. No, that video is a hack on how to hack your subconscious mind, to lie to it, to reprogram it, so that you start behaving like the profitable trader that you are in the future. So it's only a matter of bringing that future close to you right now, because you're gonna be starting to visualize. I don't want to go into details. Just go watch that video, and I hope this was helpful, guys. So, and leave me a like and subscribe, and let's meet in the next video. Cheers.